northern part of Ghana, and I'm excited to be here. Today I'm going to be trying street food. Why it's a busy place, and in the morning usually there's also a street food vibe here, and I'm excited to try their food. And the first stop is a cocoa seller behind me with, I'm seeing some cocoa and kose, and let's see whether the taste that I'm used to is what I'm going to get here. I'm going to get something. I actually wanted to cook, but because of time, I won't be able to cook today. But then I'll only buy and taste, and the next time I visit, I will try and cook with them. So let me just buy and taste for myself. So I have to wait for my turn. But I think I can also ask questions. I see something like bread, and it looks delicious. So let's see what it also tastes delicious as well. Have you ever tried cocoa in Ghana before? Dad, please, can you just tell us some of the importance of drinking cocoa here?
Normally we prefer cocoa
Please look at my
we prefer the cocoa to tea.
Tea, okay.
Yes. You know, normally in the northern sector here, we are used to cocoa.
You are used to cocoa?
Yes, please.
What is the cocoa made from?
They are made from millet.
Millet.
Yes.
So is it because people have a lot of millet here? That is why?
Definitely, that's the main problem. Because at first, that was what our grandfathers used to do.
Okay.
So normally we are used to it.
And what are some of the health benefits of the cocoa?
Normally it boosts your body.
It boosts your body.
Yes.
So when I drink it, I'll get energy this morning. I'll get energy to go and work. Give me the 5. Okay. So he said I'll get energy. So thank you very much. Okay.
Sweet cocoa. And rice water.
Rice water.
Yeah.
So that means you sell all the porridges here.
Yeah.
Okay. So which one do you want me to try? It's my first time in wine. I need to try something very nice.
Anything I've done.
Okay. So I think I'm going to try the cocoa for the sake of the energy boosting aspect. Yeah. So give me cocoa.
How you doing that?
And then what is this?
Which one?
The one that looks big here.
Okay.
Me, I like big food.
Toasted bread.
Kose bread.
Yeah.
Okay. So give me that one too. So there's kose bread. I think I'll ask how it's prepared, but like, let me taste it first and see. Let me taste it and feel the taste. Then I can be able to ask him. It's hot. Ooh. The energy boosting is about to start. Ooh. So how much is my bill?
Only 2 cities.
Only 2 cities, and my energy will be set for the day.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry for left.
Okay.
So.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you too. All right. The combination feels good. It's actually it's nice, but like I'm not really used to it. Sule, you live here. What exactly is this? What is this? What is this?
They use the beans. They cut the bread.
Please speak out.
And then they add the beans flour to the bread.
Okay.
And fry it. So that's why they call it kose bread.
And so it is beans
Flour.
Beans flour that has been mixed with what?
Bread.
Bread.
Yeah.
So they mix the beans flour and then they fry the bread and the beans flour, which is the kose, together, right?
Yeah.
So right now, what will be the name? Because there's kose, there's bread.
Yes. So that's why they just get the kose bread.
So this is kose bread, the combination of kose and bread. All right, but I like it. So I'll come back and learn how it is prepared so that when I go back to Accra, I can teach you guys, or those of you who are in Accra and other parts of Ghana that have access to the kose and bread, you can mix it too. I like it. Let's try the next stop and see what we can get. Second stop, and the second stop they sell bambara beans with rice. That is for breakfast. And everywhere that we've been to other places, but everywhere we go, it's just cocoa and kose, and that seems to be the most common food here in Wa. So I don't think we have a lot of options. But then I've seen someone who is selling beans and rice, Bambara beans specifically, and she has invited us to come and try the food and also see how it is prepared. So I'll be coming back later on to do a full video on that. But then I'm going to buy some and try it at home now. Yeah, but I think I can go inside and talk to her and then see. What do you have? Meat or?
We have meat,
Uh-huh.
salad and macaroni.
Okay, so give me meat.
How much?
Give me like 3 pieces.